Okay, so we're here at my first official USPSA match. I am really excited because I am running my new gun, the Staccato HDP 4.5. This is my first competition with that gun, so I'm really excited, and I'm trying to move into the B class. I'm not officially classified, but I am sitting in the C class range. And if you don't know, I'm going to be taking along to every single match that I go to. We are going to be doing at least one a month. And so you're going to be seeing my journey. I'm trying to get to Grandmaster eventually. That's going to take years, right? But you're going to see my journey all the way from C class to hopefully Grandmaster. So check out my other previous episodes and then also subscribe so you can stay tuned and watch my journey moving forward.
Range is clear. 2553. Yep.
Got a couple more misses than I was expecting, so I went to a slide lock reload, which I didn't want, because I was, yeah. Game plan went a little out the window, but that's okay. Still stuck with it most of the way.
Started out. 20 years ago. Okay, hip finish, unload, show clear. Hip clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. 2329. Yep.
2329.
You good?
Yeah.
2 alpha, 1 Charlie.
Just
2 alpha, 1.
thinking of all the things I did wrong.
If you're out on the range often, you know how important it is to keep a steady supply of ammo on hand and not rely on last-minute restocks or inconsistent availability. Well, that's where AmmoSquared comes in. They are America's ammunition reserve. You pick from over 70 different calibers, set your monthly budget, and let it build up over time. When you're ready, you ship it, simple as that. They store everything in climate-controlled facilities so your ammo stays in good shape until you need it. No hidden fees, no minimums, and shipping's free on orders over $250. For me, it's a solid way to keep training ammo stocked up without having to think about it, and it's also great if you have a small budget or just want to build up a stockpile without spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars up front.
Okay, so this next one is actually a classifier. It's Crossroad Blues, if you know that one. We have 7 targets, 2 hits on each target. We are starting loaded, and then hands below belt. Oh, and then heels are touching the 2 marks, as you'll see up there on the board. So, yeah, let's do it. I knew what we were doing last night. They sent an email out, and so I knew we were doing this one, and so I went on the ACE virtual shooting system real quick, and just to kind of see the stage and plan it out a little bit. So we ran it, so we were able to get a little bit of a game plan going before coming here. So I have a little bit of an idea what I'm doing beforehand. But yeah, go check out. I do have a code for it if you are wanting to get the ACE. It's Gunnygal. But yeah, let's get to it.
It's finished. Unload, show clear. It's clear. Bye. Clear it.
in the barrel. Can you see?
It looks clear from here. It's hard to see. Yeah, I think it just failed.
So what should she do? Just load it and finish the stage then, or?
Well, it's scored as is.
Yeah, or did you say
Because
stop?
I did after the fact.
Oh, did you say stop?
Yeah.
Yeah, then she can get a reshoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you say stop,
Did you
it's
think
a
it was a
reshoot.
squib?
It seemed like it.
Well, if you're finished, unload and show clear. Clear. Hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. 1222. 1222. 2 alpha. 2 alpha.
All alphas? Right?
2 alpha. 2 alpha. 2 alpha.
Ah, no.
2 alpha. 2 alpha. Last 2?
2 alpha,
Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
2
One
alpha,
Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Okay, so I just found out that that was a B class run. That's what I was setting out to do because I had been shooting pretty much C class. So finally got a B class run and I beat Tanner. Barely, but I did it. So I'm happy. Okay, so this one is a 29 round
Back, Kevin.
with 13 USPSA targets and 3 poppers. So you get 2 hits on cardboard. We are starting with toes on the X marks, with wrist below belt. The handgun is loaded and holstered. So yeah, let's go run through it.
If you are finished, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. Range is clear. 25.
I didn't even make this one up. I shot a third one and they would hopefully make it up and I didn't even make it up.
Yep.
Dang. Okay. Felt worse than it was on paper, but
Yeah, orange.
I stuck with.
How was it?
I stuck with my game plan, which was good. But I just didn't shoot as clean as I was wanting to.
Are you ready? Ready. Stand by. Oh. DQ. Unload. Unload it. Unload it. Goddamn. So clear. Hammer down. Holster.
Flag himself when he caught it.
My bad. My bad. The one I want to call.
So unfortunately, Tanner got DQ'd in the last stage. So it's just me running it. Thanks, Tanner. He left me. But this next one, it's a very lateral one. So you're basically just moving like left to right mainly. And we are starting with our hands on the X's, gun loaded and holstered. And there's I think there's 12 paper targets and then 5 poppers. So.
Product shooters and squads. Okay, F finished. Unload, show clear. F clear. Hammer down. Holster.
Okay, so I shot the black on one of them. So I went in because I wanted to make that up. Even though it's not a no shoot, so it doesn't penalize you. It would have been a mic because I didn't have a second shot on cardboard, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I made that shot up. And then a couple times I was like trying to determine where my shot went and if I like missed or whatnot. Anyway, okay, so this stage we have 10 IPSIG targets and then 3 poppers. We are starting with our toes. Loaded and holstered, and yeah, should be a fun one. I think I got a game plan, and I think it's a good game plan for me. We'll see how it goes.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
My mag all the way.
All right, what happened there?
I didn't seat my mag all the way, and so it didn't cycle and fell out, and then yeah, that just threw me out for a loop. But that's okay. Other than that, I felt good about it. So there was a few shots I pulled, but it's all right. You live and you learn. So we are starting unloaded for this one. The firearm is on the barrel, and we have how many targets? We have 12 paper targets and then 7 steel. Maybe Tanner wouldn't have DQ'd on this one. Maybe Tanner would have beaten me on this one, but we will never know, unfortunately, because I was going to beat him, so it's kind of sad we don't get to see that.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you're show clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. 3, 4, 6, 8.
Okay, that's okay.
Want to talk about it?
No, just kidding.
2 alpha.
No, that felt pretty good. I did have to make up another shot. I hit the black, which, as long as I make up the shot, it doesn't count against me. And then, yeah, a couple misses on the popper, so I had to do a couple shots on those. My reload, the mag, I didn't fully press the mag release, so I didn't get a good like press on it, so it didn't fully eject. So I had a little fumble with that, but okay, not too bad. It was a fun time. I feel good. I have many things I need to work on, and I know what I need to work on. So that'll be what I'll be dry firing and working on at the range before I come back for my next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are staying tuned for my whole journey. I am, I guess, technically B class. I'm not officially classified yet, but I'm kind of in that C to B class range. So we'll see once I get enough classifiers. We'll see what I actually landed. But you need to watch, because I am going to try to make it to Grandmaster one day. It might take years, it might take months, we'll see. Also, real quick, we were recently in YouTube jail. We are actually in YouTube jail at the moment, but make sure you are following along on Instagram. We've got a Patreon, so follow along on all the other things, because who knows, this channel might be gone one day, and we want to keep you guys in the loop on what's going on, and stay tuned.